This is a vintage Timex, popular in the 1950s and 60s. For the crown release here, you can see the setting lever, and here's the screw, and I'm using a 1.4 millimeter screw head. Don't bring it out all the way, you might have to test it. And it's not spring loaded, so it's going to stay inside the notch there. So we'll try it. Yep, it's come up far enough. So release it out here. And that bit of the setting lever is going to sit inside this groove here. So when you put it back in, you have to give it a little wiggle. It's got to go back into the keyless works. And then I always make sure that I reposition the setting lever so that it's back into that slot. Tighten it down. Give it a test. Back in place.